Wait, where are we? We're in
Fairfield
in Camas County.
This is the county seat of Camas County.
Okay, we're in Fairfield in Camas County with.
Marshall Ralph.
And have you observed any changes in the climate over the course of your life?
Yeah, I've seen a lot of glacial retreat in the Tetons of the Wind Rivers. I don't travel very much, but you see it a lot there.
Yeah. And does that affect you at all? Do you like to go there?
Well, yeah, it kind of ruins ice climbing for one thing. I mean, if you go to the Columbia ice field up in Canada, it's kind of a pickle. It's hard to climb there anymore.
Are you a big ice climber?
No.
Okay.
I'm as much an ice climber as I am a runner.
Okay.
No, but a little bit, yeah.
Yeah. And when did you first learn about climate change?
Well, it always seemed pretty much inevitable to me because you can only, if you change the budget of your interaction with the atmosphere, and we have since steam engines came on and all that, then it seems like I don't think you can make changes like that without expecting consequences. So ever since I was a kid thinking about it, which was a long time ago.
And how do you think climate change will affect future generations?
Oh, I really don't know. I can't. There's going to be different aspects of it. Like sea level changes. I suppose it'd be silly to expect those not to take place. I mean, all the balance of everything is changing. So I don't know. I have no idea. Luckily, I'm at the tail end of life, so I don't have to worry about it much longer.
And do you have any ideas of what we can do to stop climate change?
Well, yeah. I think anything you do to change the amount and composition of gases we emit probably has something to do with it from the greenhouse effect.
Yeah.
Like what?
Well, like carbon caps, carbon taxes, international accords to shift over to renewables and things like that.
Can you tell us a story where you was there a certain time where you're like, oh my gosh, climate change is happening?
Well, I mean, I really started noticing it the more I started reading about conditions in the Alps and the Canadian Rockies for climbing. I mean,
what about here in Fairfield?
I haven't noticed. It's hard to say. It's hard to know where the normal is, but because we have a wildly variable annual climate here. We don't know what's going to happen. So I haven't seen that here, but in big places where there are a lot of accumulations of ice, like in Greenland, I spent a summer in Greenland, and I think I've been told by some Scots friends that stuff we did back in '76, there's no ice there anymore, so it came late to me. I mean, I understood it, that it was going to have to happen, but I didn't really notice it except in the international effect on climbing opportunities. That's as stupid as that sounds, and it does.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.